Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter of AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next rate small cap investments. Thursday, February the 3rd, I've got 3 great press releases for you. First up, Century Mining trades on the ventures under CMM. They report on 2010 gold production and guidance for 2011 production. They've got 2 mines, it looks like here. The Lamaque mine in Quebec and the San Juan mine in Peru. Consolidated gold production for both. 10,700 ounces in the 4th quarter. That's gold production. 33,600 and change for the entire 2010. You got to like those numbers. Do the math. San Juan mine increased gold production in 2010 for the 5th straight year. It's always a good sign. It looked like it carried the majority of production here with 19,224 ounces of the 33. So it looks like it's producing just under 2/3 of the revenue. The Lamaque mine produced 6,108 ounces of gold in the 4th quarter, 14,000 of the 33 and change that it produced for the year 2010. Now, the company says previously reported commission delays influenced operational ramp-up in the 4th quarter. So if they've addressed those commissioning delays, including delivery of equipment, mine development, operational obstacles, then you can look for the Lamaque mine to actually increase its production. I can't tell you if it's going to, but I would assume that's the inference. But in the meantime, congratulations to Peter Ball and his team over at Century Mining. I like today's news. Do your due diligence. Closed 54 cents, almost dead smack in the middle, 52-week trading range, 27 on the low, 87 on the high. Big market cap, it looks like just over $200 million, so do your own due diligence. Next up, Columbus Gold, TSX Venture CGT. This one's a bit of a strange one. They're announcing that 1.4 million ounce measured and indicated plus an 800,000 ounce inferred gold resource is not theirs, but is announced near Columbus Gold Summit Project in Nevada. I haven't really seen a press release like that before, but not a bad idea to take advantage of the information. I'll tell you why. They're talking about Frontier Gold, who updated their gold resource at their Long Canyon project. It's not 5 miles down the road. It's not 2 miles down the road. They're saying that drilling by Frontier at the Long Canyon is now approximately 1,500 feet. That's 457 meters. That's less than half a kilometer from Columbus Gold Summit property boundary. That's pretty close. You still got to do a lot of due diligence and see what's there. But the joint venture partner, Agnico Eagle, who needs no introduction, is planning to commence a drilling program at Summit in the first half of 2011, and they're planning a 6,500-foot drill program. Share price is obviously responding to a lot of the good news that Columbus has been putting out in the last few months. Peter Kendrick's done a good job there. Closed yesterday at 85 cents, 52-week trading range, 14 on the low, 97 on the high. Still has a market cap of under or approximately $30 million. So definitely worth doing your due diligence and looking into Columbus. And finally, not all that glitters is gold. I want to talk about Command Center, trades on the OTC under CCNI. They announced revenue of $4.3 million just for the month of January. They're a national provider of on-demand labor solutions, and you can guess what that means. That revenue of 4.3 compares to revenue of 3.5, just under that, recorded for the same month last year. That's significant growth. You got to like that. Over 30% growth, that's for sure, when I do my quick math. There are 51 company-owned stores at the beginning of 2011. That compares with 50 stores at the beginning of 2010. They specialize in areas of light industrial, hospitality, and event services. Stock closed at 43, performed very well so far in the last 52 weeks. 7 cents on the low, 49 cents on the high. Market cap about $25 million. If you extrapolate that number out today, they can do over $50 million in revenue for the year, assuming that they can maintain that momentum for the entire year. But I think that's worth doing some due diligence, taking a closer look at. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 3 great press releases for you today. None out of China, a little bit slow out of there. But if you're looking for more great small cap news and you watch this on Global Investor, then look below me or to the left of me to take a look at the resource companies that we've covered over the past few days. If you're watching this on the AGORACOM, or if you're not, get there. Watch the show on a daily basis, or watch through our syndication partners. You can't watch it every day at 9:30. YouTube, iTunes, whatever you prefer. Take a look at the best press release coming to the small cap space in the headline section, that we've separated by industry, and get stuff into the directory to discover some of the companies that we're following. That's a wrap. Have a fantastic day. See you tomorrow.